Today on Crypto Lion, we'll be talking about the best case scenario for the price of Dogecoin. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Since a widespread sell-off hit the wider cryptocurrency market on September 7th, Dogecoin has appeared to be in a bearish state. The formation of a down channel has charted the direction of the coin as the meme-based coin revisited the lower levels that were last created in early August. The price further deepened after it went below its 200-day SMA for the first time in nearly 60 days. Although the market was obviously devoid of momentum to move upwards, the lower time frame indicated a bullish buildup after some indicators tried to put themselves above the bullish areas. A hike in price should be expected in the coming days if this trend continues. Dogecoin has slowly shed some value within a down channel over the past couple of days. Lower lows were noticed in the market at 23.3 cents and 22.8, while higher lows were snapped at 26.3 cents and 25.4. The price is expected to form new highs above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level after the price bounces from the lower trend line. Going forward, the market will be susceptible to break out to the upside, although a few conditions need to be met first. For instance, the price of the Doge token will have to close above the 78.6% Fibonacci level with a very strong volume. Also, more indicators need to progress further on the charts. Failure to go above the 50% Fibonacci level will result in a continuation within the pattern, taking the price to newer lows. Despite that, Dogecoin has tested the upper trend line a few times. The RSI indicator has not risen decisively above 50. This will have to change in the days to come in order to increase the chance for a breakout to the upside. The MACD indicator has not recovered from the lows that have been recovered over the months, and an obvious bullish trend is yet to emerge. However, the Awesome Oscillator has formed 3 lower peaks below the half-line. This is a setup that is followed by a surge in upwards momentum. Dogecoin has some chance of moving above its parallel channel in the days to come. Its indicators have formed a bullish divergence with respect to Dogecoin's price action. However, an obvious headway is needed before an outcome can be determined. Traders still expect a comeback towards the 28 cents level, which is a 15% increase from the upper trend line of the pattern. Over the years, Dogecoin has been used to tip fellow internet users who share or generate impressive content, and this helps it to bear more value due to its user-friendly system. The network is easily compatible with computers, smartphones, or websites, and Dogecoin can be likened to buying goods from the supermarket with credit cards. The only thing, however, is that Doge tokens are used with a wallet to buy goods or pay for services. One of the strengths of leading coins is their popularity and fan base that promotes them. This is true for the price of Dogecoin, as the rate of adoption for the coin is high according to Dogecoin price predictions. The dynamic and staunch value of the digital asset depicts that the entire Dogecoin community puts their faith in the coin. It's not a surprise that the entire community predicts that the price will skyrocket in the coming days. This shows the main infrastructure of the cryptocurrency as its value lies in the confidence of its buyers and support from the community. Hence, its adoption rate continues to increase. The Dogecoin community remains one of the most important and strong crypto communities. The influence of the community isn't limited only to trading, but also the philanthropic contribution that's been attributed to the Dogecoin community. One of the creators of Dogecoin believes that the success of the coin shows how cryptocurrencies have derailed from their original goals. He said, "I have a lot of faith in the Dogecoin core development team to keep the software stable and secure. But I think it says a lot about the state of the cryptocurrency space in general. A currency with a dog on it, which has not released a software update in a long time, reached an over $1 billion market cap." Inflation is one of the attributes that distinguishes Dogecoin from most of the other deflationary altcoins, which are in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies were designed to have a cap on the total supply of the currency. The problem with this is that the currency may no longer be profitable for miners to sustain the system as soon as the cap is reached. This causes an increase in fees to encourage miners or very delayed transaction processes, which would cause no objection to the process network transactions. Banks are centralized institutions that can physically print their currency. However, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Dogecoin have a decentralized system to produce new tokens. As many people know by now, a proof of work forms the basis behind the operations of the Doge token, and it enables miners to process transactions by using their computing power to solve complicated equations. A new block is added to the Dogecoin network as soon as the equation is solved and the miner receives some Doge rewards. This reward system operates in two ways. It encourages miners to use their computing powers to complete transactions on the Dogecoin blockchain, and it also regulates the creation of new Doge tokens, which are distributed by miners. The technical analysis of Dogecoin shows that the digital currency might experience a lot of volatility in the days to come, and so traders and investors are advised to be very careful while placing their trades. Traders will need to do their homework and stay alert. Despite the history of various dips that have been experienced in the cryptocurrency exchanges, Dogecoin still looks to have a good future. It is true, Dogecoin has remained a winner despite the various challenges that have befallen the network over the years. As a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, most of the digital currencies have seen huge volatility phases, and Dogecoin is no exception. The market cap of the overall crypto market has experienced significant changes, and Dogecoin's market cap has also seen massive changes. It is worthy of note that the differences in fluctuations in different Dogecoin predictions are based on short and long-term price forecasts. Over the course of the year, the price action of Dogecoin, along with its market cap, has marked significant changes. From recent Dogecoin predictions, it is noticed that Dogecoin has hit new highs after a bullish rally. The recent fluctuations in prices that are now experienced are a surprise to many investors and traders. In recent times, the price forecast of Dogecoin has been the center of attraction for crypto media. The price of Dogecoin has received a lot of attention primarily because of the changes it has witnessed. Determining the best case for Dogecoin, that is, the price of the token by the end of the year, can be answered by saying that the price of Dogecoin might move around the $1 mark, with the maximum and minimum expected prices being $1 and 90 cents respectively by the end of the year. Data obtained from Crypto News shows that the price of Dogecoin had been stagnant for a year before Elon Musk started to declare his love and support for the meme token at the start of this year. Musk's support is an obvious springboard that took the price of Dogecoin to its yearly all-time high of above 70 cents in May. The continuous support from other online celebrities and further listings on major exchanges serve as the basis of significant growth in price in the months to come. Investors are now advised to invest in Dogecoin for the long term. In about 4 or 5 years, SpaceX will be set to launch its first human mission to Mars. And many people envision that if humans can have a stable community on Mars, Dogecoin might be adopted as a currency, and that, of course, could boost its price. Many people who see the $100 as the best case for Dogecoin are now wondering when that is going to happen. It's safe to say that could happen within the next 10 years. Back in 2014, when the famous Bitcoin was trading at around $6, nobody could have thought that the coin would one day trade for $50,000. So maybe it's not such a far-fetched idea to think of Dogecoin doing the same thing. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.